Here's a quick video on how to change a table saw blade. First, make sure your table saw is unplugged. Next, raise your saw blade as high as you can. You should have 2 wrenches that came with your table saw. With the open wrench, lock the blade by letting it rest on the table. Now with the other wrench standing in front of the table saw, pull towards you to loosen. At this point, you can change the table saw blade, making sure that the new table saw blade's teeth are pointing towards you. Now to tighten, lock the table saw blade by pushing the wrench toward the back of the table saw. And you're going to walk around to the back of the table saw, and you're going to tighten by pulling towards you. Don't over tighten. Here's a recap. To loosen, pull towards you standing in front of the table saw. To tighten, standing in the back of the table saw, pull towards you. Thank you for watching this video.